What's going on, guys? Today I got another video for you guys. You can see this guy is so dark, but today I'm taking the delivery of my semi truck. So guys, we're taking delivery this morning, man. We're taking delivery of this semi truck, guys, man. You can see this is so beautiful this morning, guys. I'm taking delivery this morning of this semi truck, guys. We're gonna be taking delivery of this semi truck, man. So guys, the truck is finally coming down. You can see it's coming down. The truck is finally coming down right now from the trailer. It's coming down, guys. As you can see, I'm so excited. I'm taking this delivery this morning. The truck is moving all the way down now, guys. Like I said, I bring great content to this channel. The truck is finally coming down. We're dropping it right now, guys. Truck is finally down from the trailer, guys, so I'll be able to show you guys more video tomorrow on the truck. See, let's run and drive. I'll be able to show you guys when early in the morning about the truck, show the inside, show how dirty it is, show what we got to fix inside this truck, guys. So excited to receive it today. So guys, it's daytime right now, so now I'm going to show you what came with this truck and where this truck actually came from. This truck actually came from Georgia. I actually bought this truck from an auction. See, I actually bought it from an auction. You can see right from the back. You can see this is what actually happened when the driver was trying to bring it down from the trailer. So we actually, damaged the bumper, so I have to zip tie it. But this already came with a problem already, but I put a zip tie just to hold it tight. That's what I did on that side. So it actually broke it on this side, so I have to see what I can do to actually see how to put the bumper back together. Other than that, the tire depth is still, it's still good on the truck. And you can see, I'm trying to see some damage that actually came with the truck. So there's no, apart from this that actually happened over there, I'll show you guys. These are the damage. So that means the exhaust stack is bent. I have to see what I can do to bring that back together. And the cab up there, I want to see what I can do to that all as well. And also I'm looking for some rust all as well. So it didn't come with a chrome wheel, so there definitely gonna be some rust right there. There's this rust right here, you can see. But it's came with an aluminum wheel club, been a lot better. But the tire depth is still, in great shape. You can see the tire depth is still in great shape. See, guys. So the fifth wheel, you can see, guys. And also the mud flap. And now I have to replace the mud flap. I have to replace that. So this one's pretty nice, and that one is I have to replace that. So the airbag's still in good shape. The shocks are still in good shape. There's no much rust on them, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna power wash this and try to my best to see what I can do to clean this truck to 100%. It might not be 100%, but at least about 70%. I'm gonna really clean it. You can see the truck. So guys, let me show you the in-cab of the truck, and also I'm going on the engine. I want you guys to see. I can tell you, man, the guy, whoever that drove this truck, is dirty. is a dirty truck driver. A real dirty truck driver. You can see what came with the truck. A real dirty truck driver drove this truck, guys. You can see this is how the truck came. All the cabinet, see, all the cabinet so dirty. There's dirt everywhere. There's dirt everywhere. This is where you can actually write if you probably will do some paperwork. This is a see. This is how the truck came. The driver is so dirty. Whoever drove this truck before is a dirty truck driver. The truck is so dirty that I can't even imagine, you know what I'm saying? So I want is some money on it. I'm gonna put a little bit of money on it and I'll be able to, you know, hit the road and make money on it. So they did a good thing. The tire matches. I couldn't believe it. The tire, they actually matches. They actually, you know, they have a good depth remaining. They actually matches the tires. Yeah, they're all the same tires. All the four in the back, they're all the same. That's awesome right there. Why the one in front that's made by a different maker, but it doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter at all. So guys, just stay tuned on this channel. And just they're gonna be part 2 on this channel. I mean, what I'm doing to the truck. How this truck come along. I'm fixing the truck. You know, they're gonna be a part 2 on this truck, guys. Just join me, guys, and please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly consider to subscribe, because this channel I like to give you guys a great content, a great videos on it could be on cars, on working on cars, and on working on trucks as well, guys.